Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you. I am briefly going to show you all how to submit an assignment via Skyward. I have created it and it will be available to you from this afternoon until Monday when it is due at 8:30. And once the time cuts off at 8:30 Monday morning, it will be considered late. So what happens is it will automatically put a 0 in the grade book and mark it as missing. So please, please, please make sure that you're attentive and you watch the entire video. All right, so when you sign in to Skyward in Alvin ISD, you're gonna put in your student ID number and your password, and you're gonna make sure that you go to Family Access. And then you will come here, and at the very top of your Skyward feed, you won't click over here on the, I guess, the little tabs over there, but you will click on the assignment right here that says Math 7 period 4. So this is a 4th period student. So this is going to be where you submit the assignment. You're going to click right here where it says take the assignment, and it has the due date right here, September 21st, 8:30 a.m. Click take, and then this is where you will come and select the answers for the assignment. So question 1 of 25, so it says there's 25 questions, and then it tells you what pages to refer to for each question, and it should go in order. So this is the first question, and then the very last question will end with the very last question that you had to do on page 26, which is question number 9. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to click my appropriate answers. I don't remember what this one was. This was G. Okay, I'm back. I had to get my homework out. Okay, so as you go along for question number 2 on page 21, you'll click that answer. You're just going to choose one answer because I think I've only marked them for one answer to be correct. Then you'll go to question 3 and you'll put in C. And then question 4 is H, and then question 5 is B. So then once you do that, you're going to do you're going to go save, and then it'll save your first answers, and then you'll go to next page. So then the next page, hold on. It's F. And then D is question number 1 on page 22. So make sure you read the question numbers right here. And then the next one is -14. So I'm going to select -14. And then B. And then G. Then click save. Next page. And then this is page 22, question number 5. So this is B. Then we got F. And then it goes to page 25. So I skipped pages 23 and 24. So I'm going to page 25. So I'm going to start off with D. And then my next answer is 33. And then C. Save. Next. All right, so question number 4 on page 25 is going to be F. And then B. And then page 26, question number 6 is 106 baseball cards. The amount of money spent in question number 7 is going to be $247. Oh, look, I gave you an opportunity to skip this question right here, and I'm telling you the answer, so choose J. Click save. Next page, this is the last page and the last couple questions. Page 26, question number 9 is 23.5. And then there's some filler questions that you might see on there sometimes, which are just for you to get some bonus points. This says Ms. Starling is going to give you credit even if you don't show work. That is not true, so I'm going to click false. Miss Starling always requires that you show your work. Homework in Miss Starling's class is optional. That is also not true. If you don't do your homework, then you won't be successful in passing my class. Integers, whole numbers, and natural counting numbers are all rational numbers. This is true. This is kind of like the state of Texas, and then integers is Pearland, and then whole numbers is Nolan Ryan Junior High School, and natural numbers is Miss Starling's classroom. And then finish this line, same signs, add, and reap, beep, sheep, or keep. I'm gonna go with keep. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna click save. And then I'm gonna click save and complete assignment. That way my answers don't go anywhere. It says if you save and complete the assignment will be submitted. You will not be able to make any more changes. Are you sure you want to save and complete the assignment? I'm going to click yes. So once I'm done, it's gonna take me back here, and then it's going to upload my grade to Miss Starling's gradebook. Also, if you have not read these announcements here on Skyward, they are there and they're marked as important. That is for you and your parents. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you accidentally submit your assignment and you need me to reopen it, let me know about that as well. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.